Hi everyone, let's go check the building. Progress of the building. So it's been 3 weeks or a month now that we didn't get any rain. So our plants are very dry and the rice field is getting dry. So the rats are enjoying, the mouse are enjoying. The part there, as you can see, there's like an island there that the rats are enjoying. So let's go check the building. I will help them. I don't know if I'm not sure what their plan is for the copra. Saturday, a guy from Kante Obos here climbing up the coconuts. Drop these coconuts here, and our other workers are splitting them into half. So let's go here. This part here is for our dirty kitchen. It's called dirty kitchen because we use firewood instead of gas. There's Rookie there. that's the update for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow I might go to Tagularan, buy more supplies, and then we will buy cladding for the, how do you call that, ceiling. Okay, God bless you all. Hi my love, this is how it looks like now. So we have the steps there. The wrap-around porch already has those bamboo there, and I told them to grind. Hold on a second, Nana is here. And this is what the back looks like. This is the dirty kitchen here. This one here. They just started a layout. There. That's a small porch for the kitchen. Here's the storage. We have, how many storage do we have? This one, 2, and then long one there, 3, 4 on the other side. Di ka ni mabali na, ang lingkuran. Kadaog ka ni sa akong katambok. Musobra pa ni sa taas yan ah. Magamit pa sa taas. Pero makuha.